I'm responsible for protecting the rule of law, which holds us all accountable to each other. Our teachers bear an equally important responsibility, protecting our children. Teachers educate and shape our future, inspire our children to reach for the stars, and create transformative learning environments. Our teachers are our heroes. They're on the front lines, not only in the classroom, but in the community. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed our lives in unimaginable ways, but our teachers are stepping in and stepping up to bring light to the darkness. True to their mission, Harmony educators are teaching us that there is opportunity in adversity, opportunity to share our strengths, inspire ingenuity, promote resiliency, and give hope. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you, Harmony teachers, for responding to the pandemic in useful and creative ways. Your efforts at creating face shields for our first responders provided much needed protection to our healthcare heroes. I join many others in commending you for your dedication, your commitment, your passion to your students, to your community, and beyond. Gracias. Lo único que es imposible es aquello que no se intenta.